Yo, what's up, guys? Theo here. Welcome to Learn HTML and CSS. We are on part 11, so we're still in the box model, and so I'm going to break this into two parts. So we're going to go 1 to 7 on this. Next one will be 8 to 14. Cool. So, just to get started, add the following code to style.css. So we know by this selector, this is the universal selector, and we're just going to give everything a border of 1 pixel solid RGBA, so whatever these colors are, and let's run this code. So it looks like a little gray color. Awesome. Next up, set the padding of the banner content selector to 30 pixels. So let's go find that, banner content. We're just going to say padding 30 pixels. So we know that this is going to be applied to the top, bottom, left, and right. Okay, so let's run that code. Cool. Awesome. So you can read about the different, definition of what padding and what border is. Border is more outside, whereas padding is like the space between the actual content and the border. So set the padding on the top and bottom of the banner content paragraph to 30 pixels. Okay, so we'll do padding, and so since it's clockwise, we can say 30, or what is it? So they want top and bottom. So top is 30, and then right 30 and 10. All right, cool. Let's run this code. Awesome. So that's shorthand. Use the padding shortcut to set the padding on the top and bottom of banner content selected to 30 pixels and padding of left and right. Okay, so now let's go back to banner content, and now we're just going to say top 10 and then 30, 10. Awesome. So what we did before. Cool. Next up, so these are the different padding properties, and set only the top and bottom padding of byline selector to 20 pixels. So let's find byline. So we can find it down here. Here we go. And so we're going to say padding, and it's going to be 20 pixels 0, 20 pixels 0, and let's run this and see what that gives us. All right, cool. So let's look at what byline is real quick. It's just the written by. Let's see if we can find this. So you can sort of see, just gave top and bottom. Next up, guys, set the margin of the list items to 5 pixels. So let's find this, and we'll just say margin 5 pixels, and you can read about margin here. It's the space directly outside of the box. So it goes, you have your element, then you have your margin, or sorry, no, you have your element, then you have your padding, then you have your border, and then you have your margin. So that's the hierarchy. Let's run this. I know it's confusing. I say for the most part, you're best off using padding. I find that's most common, but a lot of times they can be interchangeable. This is sort of like geeky front end stuff. Let's change the margin of all list items at the top and bottom margin to 0 pixels. Okay, so say margin 0, 20, 0, 20, following that clockwise model. Cool. And yeah, guys, pretty quick lesson. So we'll do 8 to 14 in part 12. That's it for this video. I want to keep them pretty quick and short so to keep you guys engaged and make sure you're learning something. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.